So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this series we are talking about the analysis of the 8 IPL teams. And guys, as you have seen my old videos, already we have analyzed 4 teams. There's the Chennai Super Kings, the Delhi Capitals, the Kings 11 Punjab and the Kolkata Knight Riders. So in today's video we will be analyzing another team, finding out their strengths, their weaknesses and providing you with the best 11 of playing according to us. And today's team does not need any introduction. The most successful team according to the trophy numbers is the Mumbai Indians today. Yes, the Mumbai Indians have won their trophy in 2013, 2015, 2017 and 2019. They have a bad habit of winning their trophy in the odd years. And it will be an important point to see whether they can repeat it in an even year this time. They have been a very good team stacked with best players from around the globe, with best Indian talent, best foreign talent, and they are always a team to watch out for. Each and every team, whenever they face the Mumbai Indians, look a little bit threatened, and there are some times when the Mumbai Indians come up victorious. This is the whole and full squad of the Mumbai Indians. Remember, some of these players will not be taking part in IPL due to some reasons, and they have been replaced when they have been announced. Rohit Gurunath Sharma, the hitman, the captain of Mumbai Indians and the person who drastically changed Mumbai Indians team in 2013 when he took over the captaincy. Everybody will be looking forward to him. Jasprit Bumrah is currently one of the better bowlers in depth in this world. Remember, he learned it all from Lasith Malinga, his guru in Mumbai Indians, and he will play a very key role in this year's IPL. Kung Fu Pandya had an awesome IPL last year with the bat, hitting almost every ball out of the ground with ease. He will be again looking to reciprocate what he did last year. The team tank or the think tank of Mumbai Indians is filled with big talents. Sachin Tendulkar being a part of this team for the last few years. And obviously their coach, Mahela Jayawardene, who has a vast experience in cricket coaching and obviously in cricketing world. Zahir Khan, who was a part of the Mumbai Indians a few years back, is now the bowling coach of their team, and it is a very important point that Zahir would be there. The two brothers, Kung Fu Pandya and Hardik Pandya, both of them will be looking forward to make it a great season. Krunal didn't have a good season last time, but will be making sure this would be a good season for him. Kieron Pollard didn't have a good season for the past few seasons, but this year in CPL he's been in electric form and he will be looking to destroy every opponent that comes in front of him. The opening combination of Mumbai Indians, consisting of de Kock and Rohit Sharma, is brilliant. They have given Mumbai Indians good starts in each and every game, and I think it will be very important to see whether they can do it once again in this year. Lasith Malinga will be missing out the IPL due to some personal reasons, and so it will be difficult for them to choose his replacement. But James Pattinson has been chosen, but one man who will be handling the bowling unit in place of him will be Trent Boult. Boult has just arrived in UAE and has been included in the practice of Mumbai Indians and will be looking to do something good for this franchise. Rahul Chahar, the super fine last year, has been a brilliant spinner. In the pitches of UAE, he will be a very successful man. The Wankhede Stadium was a fortress for Mumbai Indians. And obviously, there's a reason that they call it a fortress. This is the place where Mumbai Indians get the huge support. Mission 2020 is on for the Mumbai Indians, and they will be looking to destroy every opponent that comes in front of them. We provide you now with the best playing 11 according to us for the Mumbai Indians, the defending champions. The openers will surely be de Kock and Rohit Sharma. Questions would be asked why Chris Lynn is not there, because Chris Lynn is having a bad form in CPL. I don't think he will be included in the very first game, and according to us, these two are going to be good. Middle order consisting of Surya Kumar Yadav and Kishan. Both of them have been super for the Mumbai for the past few years and will have to play a key role in this tournament for them. The all-rounders, three of them, the best all-rounder performance the team can have. Kieron Pollard, Big Hardik Pandya and Krunal Pandya. Three of them very important for the team. The spin department, obviously, Rahul Chahar will be now the lone man because the spin department will be also handled by Krunal Pandya, who is an all-rounder. So both of them will have a huge role to play in the pitches of UAE, but the ball turns in a rapid role. The three pacers will be McClenaghan, Trent Boult and Bumrah. Bumrah will lead the pack, and in the absence of Malinga, Boult and McClenaghan will have a huge role to play. So guys, the question for today is, will the defending champions be able to defend their trophy or will they fall short? Because this is an even year. Remember, Mumbai Indians haven't ever won a trophy in an even year. They have done it in odd years. It will be a test to see whether the Mumbai Indians can do it at this time or not. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned to our channel. We will be providing you with the analysis of all the other three teams. Till then, goodbye, stay safe, stay home. Thank you everyone.